The Department of Justice is asking a little-known federal court to deport an Afghan woman who prosecutors say supported a foil ISIS-inspired plot to attack voters on Election Day. The case marks the first hearing for the Alien Terrorist Removal Court, a tribunal created by Congress in 1996 to handle deportation proceedings that rely heavily on classified information. On Thursday, prosecutors presented their initial claims against Najira Haji Zada, a 47-year-old lawful permanent resident, in a nearly hour-long session before the court's chief judge, Joan N. Erickson, in Washington. The government contends that Zada is connected to a plot inspired by the Islamic State to carry out a mass shooting on Election Day 2024. Last year, both her son, Abdullah Haji Zada, and her son-in-law, Nasir Ahmad Tawhidi, pleaded guilty to charges tied to the conspiracy and admitted they had tried to purchase 2 AK-47-style rifles and 500 rounds of ammunition to execute the attack. Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche described Zada in a statement as the matriarch of an ISIS-sympathizing family aiding a plot to launch a mass casualty attack on American voters. Zada was arrested Tuesday at her home in Fort Worth, Texas, and appeared in court wearing a creamy white headscarf and flowing blue pants. The proceedings are a test of a court where much of the evidence is presented in secret and defendants cannot challenge how that evidence was collected. The Trump administration has pursued an expansive array of legal tools to advance its aggressive deportation agenda, and now it is invoking the sweeping powers of this terrorist removal court. Notably, Zada has not been publicly charged with any terrorism crimes and has no criminal history, according to court papers. However, an unclassified summary submitted to the court alleges she supported the Election Day conspiracy, pledged loyalty to ISIS, worked to indoctrinate her children with ISIS ideology, and concealed a plan to relocate her family to ISIS-controlled territory from her husband, Abdul Haji Zada, who worked at Bagram Air Base in Afghanistan from 2009 to 2016. The Alien Terrorist Removal Court operates similarly to the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Court, with 5 judges drawn from federal courts around the country. As this landmark case unfolds, it will likely shape how the government uses classified evidence in immigration enforcement for years to come. Thanks for listening. I'm your host, and this has been your daily legal briefing.